In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to a picture here in Canva. Now, what I'm about to share will work with your own photos or pictures which you upload here in Canva and or Canva's pictures as well. Now, once you have the picture that you want to add a shadow to, we simply want to click onto that picture and then we're going to come up to Edit Just here in the toolbar. Now it's going to open up on the left hand side like this, and we want to come to shadows just here. Now there's lots of different types of shadows that we can play with. There's glow, drop shadows, outlines, curved, page lift, angled and backdrop. Now I highly suggest just playing around with these, but for this example we're going to use a drop shadow. Now once you click on one of these, this is where we get more options. We can play around with the blur amount just like this, and as you can see the blur on the edge is going to change ever so slightly depending on if we increase this bar. We can see the blur gets less, and if we decrease it, it becomes more. Now we can also play around with the angle as well on this drop shadow. Let's put it to the right hand side like that. We can play around with the distance as well, and then the intensity. So if you want a real hard drop shadow, we're going to increase this bar just like that. Now you can also play around with the color of the drop shadow by playing around with the color palette just here, or you can even put your own hex code color, if you know the color hex code, in here as well. Now if we click onto any other one of these, we can see we're practically going to get the same options. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a shadow to a picture here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.